Apache?
The Apache is not just an ordinary attack helicopter. It is a war machine that has long been a symbol of American air power, from the Gulf War, Iraq, and Afghanistan, to various modern operations. The Apache has always been at the forefront. In terms of design, this helicopter looks fierce. Beyond its advanced weapons and technology, the Apache also has a long and fascinating history. It first flew in 1975 and entered operational service in 1986, replacing the aging AH-64 Cobra. From the outset, the Apache was designed not only to strike but also to survive in a battlefield full of threats. One of the features that makes the Apache a pilot favorite is its cockpit system. All digital instruments are integrated with the helmet-mounted display. This means the pilot only needs to move their head toward the target, and the weapons will automatically follow their line of sight. In other words, the Apache sees and aims through the pilot's eyes. Powering the Apache are two General Electric T700 turboshaft engines, each producing nearly 2,000 horsepower. This enables it to reach speeds of more than 280 km/h and fly up to 6,400 meters in altitude. When it comes to survivability, the Apache was also engineered to keep flying even if part of its engine system is damaged. Its main and tail rotors are resilient enough to withstand hits from certain heavy weapons, so it is not only a formidable attacker but also remarkably durable. In real combat, the Apache has more than proven its reputation. During the 1991 Gulf War, it was used as the spearhead to destroy Iraqi radar and air defense systems. This opened safe corridors for other fighter aircraft to move in. Since then, the Apache has consistently been relied upon for the most dangerous missions. What's even more interesting is that the Apache has continued to evolve. Its latest variant, the AH-64 Guardian, is equipped with the capability to control drones directly from the cockpit. This allows the Apache pilot to simultaneously command UAVs for reconnaissance or even strike missions, keeping the Apache highly relevant in modern warfare. With a tandem-to-seat configuration, a 4-blade main rotor, and advanced avionics, what truly makes the Apache lethal is its arsenal. It is armed with a 30mm M230 chain gun, Hydra 70 rockets, and a GM-114 Hellfire anti-tank missiles. A single Apache can wipe out an armored convoy in mere minutes. Beyond its weaponry, the technology behind the Apache is equally impressive. With the Longbow radar mounted above its rotor, it can track hundreds of targets simultaneously, even in poor weather or at night. This system allows the Apache to strike without necessarily being seen by the enemy. In terms of protection, the Apache is equipped with armor designed to withstand small arms fire and medium-caliber rounds. Its fuel tanks are also self-sealing to prevent explosions when hit. Another strength lies in its maneuverability. Despite weighing over 10 tons, the Apache can fly low, weave through hills, and hover for extended periods to provide fire support for ground troops. Overall, the AH-64 Apache is not just an attack helicopter, but a perfect combination of firepower, survivability, and advanced technology. It is no wonder that many of America's allies, such as the United Kingdom and Japan, also rely on the Apache as the backbone of their air power.